This video tutorial is for a single leg balance conditioning drill. It's called Warrior 3 RDLs. RDL stands for Romanian deadlift, and this is a rendition of the kettlebell single leg Romanian deadlift. And the main difference is that you're using a club and you're holding it in a prayer position instead of holding the kettlebell and dangling it with a shoulder pack. Go ahead and start with your 3-pound club, and you can start at the top of your mat. Ground your feet in mountain pose, bring your club into prayer position, create your fascial tension in your feet, your core, and your glutes. From here, take your right leg back and anchor it as a kickstand here. Micro bend your left leg and start to hip hinge so that you're loading your base leg glute with a micro bend in your knee and create torque. So you're creating external rotation in that base leg, crown-coccyx alignment, and then squeeze the glutes at the top, the left glute. Hip hinge down, work to keep the hips squared. This is a closed hip conditioning drill. Keep that fascial tension in the feet. Good. And go ahead and switch sides and demonstrate on the opposite side. So the base leg serves as an anchor point. If you have difficulty going up on one leg, this is going to be an excellent place to start so that you can teach your base leg glute how to bear load and stabilize at the bottom. And this is supposed to be a slow one range, so slow down a bit. Micro bend the knee here. Create torque and external rotation here and square your hips. Good. Squeeze at the top. Good. And switch sides. So again, anytime you're working single leg balance, do take advantage of the opportunity to do an isometric hold on either end. So micro bend your left leg and begin to hip hinge, bringing your body down, your leg straight back, flex your foot and square your hips. Spinal balance is a good precursor for this because it's training this. Good, and you can tap the foot on the ground, which we'll do about 3 repetitions here. Good, squeezing at the top. Tone your left glute on the way up. Good, and switch sides, opposite hand on top, always switching hand grips. Maintain crown to coccyx alignment, lengthen through your postural muscles, here. And try starting with your left leg back a little bit so it's already in that position. And now straighten out this leg all the way. So kick through the heel so that this leg is already in line with the trunk. And notice the difference in the stability that she has when she does it that way. Good. Tap, start with your leg back, hip hinge, crown to coccyx alignment, good. Nice, perfect hip extension. And then switch sides, switch hand grips. And level 3 is pressing your club out to 2-handed flag. Begin with your right leg back, so bring your club to prayer to initiate. And coordinate the actions of you kicking back with a flexed foot as you press your club out to 2-handed flag, and look at your club here. Good. Hold. Good. As you stand, pull your knee up towards your knob and hold. Good, press out to 2-handed flag, drive through the heel and the glute. Good, and notice there's a nice deep bend here. She's conditioning it with a pretty solid micro bend there. Good. And switch sides, switch hand grips. Opposite hand on top. You can do guard. So she's beginning in a guard position, and you can initiate by just kicking back here, squaring the hips. And then pull your knob and knee together here. Good. Kick back, flex the foot, charge up the glutes, square your hips and hold. Good. And pull it back up. Last one. Square your hips. Good. And try and recover and rest. Warrior 3 RDLs definitely use this conditioning drill if you have Warrior 3 in your practice. This is an excellent drill that will help you to be able to balance on one leg with confidence and build that endurance that you need from your glutes working synergistically with your core and your lats.